Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Yes, if you just see me for the first time, my name is Medilock, and if this is your first time of stopping by, you just see my video for the first time, please join us, subscribe to my channel. Just click the subscribe button and you will join this family, and you will be glad you did so. Yes, so guys, today I want to discuss with us today how you can use these few ingredients to overcome hex or curses. Yes, see, some people would do something against you or make some pronunciations against you, and you see that thing following you up and down. Are you undergoing this kind of problem? Are you facing all these things? Guys, today I want to show us one simple way you can clear this type of problem off your back and you'll be a free person. So please stay with me to the end of this video and we will discuss, and I will show you how you can do this. Okay, it's very simple, very anybody can do it. Okay, you can do it, I can do it, and it is not something that is hard. Yes, so but before then, I would like to show you some things that you need to know. Some of our products that you may not be aware of. You know, this is awful. Awful is a herb. You know, it has been processed in a way to meet international standard. So, are you suffering from diabetes? Are you suffering from, is your life exposing you, your lifestyle exposing you to sugar? Are you having hormonal imbalance as a woman? You as a man, is the sugar level in your body not allowing you to perform, well or better in the other office? So get this, get awful to be very good for you, because somebody was asking me yesterday, what is back to sender? We're having a lot of newcomers, new members. Yes, new members on our channel every day. Yes, this is back to sender. It can come to you in different shades and colors. So this one is a herb also. Most of the things that we deal with here on this channel, they are all natural things. They are herbs, and some of them have spiritual effect, and some of them have medical or herbal effects. Yes, so guys, see this back to sender, it is a spiritual herb. This one, as the name implies, whatever it is that they have done against you, or the plan of the enemy against you, even the one they are thinking in their heart against you, to go back to them. Yes, if your enemy say that you should be sick, they will be bedridden. If they say you should have accident, they will be crushed. If they say you should die, they will be buried. It is exactly whatever they have wished you, raised to power 10, that will happen to them. It is your enemy that will feel the impact of back to sender. Yes, so you can place order for it, and it is very affordable. You can get one for yourself. You can also use it for your children. You just add it, a pinch of it inside clean water, pray over it, then use it to bathe. Say your prayers the way you want it, what you want to see happen to your enemy. That is what you will pray over it, and then you bathe with it. Very effective. Yes, this is breakthrough soap. It is ideal that you should use breakthrough soap to bathe for 7 days before you start using this one. Okay, before you start using favor and anti-witchcraft soap. Yes, I call it favor and anti-witchcraft soap because favor soap witchcraft attack is all over. A lot of people are under witchcraft attack. So you can use this. It will stop it. It will neutralize whatever it is they have done against you. Yes. So this one, if things are not moving for you, your life is like in one place. Because I'm very grateful for the past 2 months or so that we have started selling this thing. I've been receiving tons of testimonies concerning breakthrough soap and even this favor soap. So I am very, very proud of it, and I'm happy to present it before you. Yes, this is attraction in a bottle. Yes, in fact, let me use it. This is how you can use your attraction in a bottle. Yes, so I use mine like this. See, what do you want to attract? Whatever it is that you want to attract, you can just say your intention and use this. This is herb. This is combination of 7 herbs that have spiritual potency beyond your imagination. Yes, so it can get you wherever you are on the face of this earth. Once you place order, you get it. This is bitter. This is bitter zeze. Yes, you know, it's this, you can see this is a herb. And in fact, the most interesting aspect of this one is the nice smell. Smells like heaven. Yes, this one will get your man addicted to you. Yes, but if you don't love that man, don't use this, because he will be so attached to you. So if you're a woman, you can get this. Yes, are you a man? Are you having some sexual problem? This is Mampi. Yes, this is also a herb. This one treats you from inside out, and it increases size also. Yes, from all the testimonies I've been receiving, yes, people have been reaching out to me. This is Mampi powder. This is Mampi liquid. If you want quick action, now, if your workstation is not saluting you the way you want, you know, it's not taking you to that level, as in maybe 1 hour, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, depends how long you want to last in the other room. Get Mampi liquid. It's very cheap. I think it's one of the cheapest things on my video. Mampi powder, it will treat you from inside out. So you can place order for it. But if you know that your lady is not going to cooperate, don't drink it though. If you drink it, some part of your body will be sleeping and one part will not be sleeping. And don't call my name. I know dear. Make the Lord know same person. So if you know you're not going to get cooperation, don't use it. Okay? All right. So now,
simple solutions to life.
yes, you're welcome back from that time out. See, I know, I'm very sorry. In fact, let me say I'm very sorry for keeping you this long, but now this part of the video is going to be very brief. Okay, so now, how do you get rid of hex or curses? You know, some people just throw something at you that if you, anywhere you enter, you see things will be turning upside down for you, things will be working against you. Get black lemon powder. Sorry, my colleagues are driving past. This is to show you how much I've used from this. This is black lemon powder. You know, smells so nice. This is black lemon powder. You know lemon, we all know what lemon is. This is the black lemon of it. It has very strong, serious spiritual powers to carry out a lot of things that you cannot imagine. Then you'll be needing black salt. Okay, black salt. I taught us on this video how to make your own black salt before. If you have not seen that video, you can just type it, how to make your own black salt by Medilock. You will see that video. Okay, black salt is very, very effective. It works against some attacks like that from the enemy. Any spiritual kind of attack, you can use it. You're having dreams, you're seeing cobwebs covering your face and all that. You can use this to bathe once in a while. Just add just a teaspoon like this to your bathing water and you'll be okay. That is for using black salt alone. But in this case now, you're going to be kneading these two together. Your black salt and your black lemon powder. You put the two inside bathing water. Then pray over it. Call whatever it is that you felt has been done against you. And all the situations that you know is not working in your favor, just pray against it. Okay? When you pray against it, pray the way you want. You own yourself. Pray over it, then take your bath. You can do this once in a week. You can do this 3 times a week. It depends on how strong the attack is on you. Just use this, and by the grace of God, you will get solution to that problem that you're facing. Yes, lemon has this spiritual potency to extract evil and expel them from our body. Yes, we have talked about lemon on different occasions, but today we are talking about this black lemon. Okay, black lemon and black salt. It removes curses, removes hexes, from your life. Yes, guys, please subscribe to my channel, share my video with your friends and family, and give me your comment. Whatever it is your suggestion. Just drop your comment in your suggestion or your comment in the comment section. I will respond to it. Okay, so please, if you want to talk to me or you want to place order for anything, use this number on the screen. Please, it is just a WhatsApp only. When you drop your message, be patient. You'll get response. Okay, so if you insist on calling my old number, it may take you a while, but if you place order through this one, it will be faster and you'll get quick response. So thank you. Till I come your way again in another video. Love you. Bye.